Welcome to the Snake Pit.
There's a sale on at Penny's. At least there was Black Friday. Picked this up for 39 bucks. You probably can get a pretty similar price other places. I think Walmart sells these things. This was the only color they had for the Black Friday sale, at least at my local. Don't even know what that color's called, but let's do a little unboxing. Try it out with a little record I picked up from the Goodwill. Yeah. Crosley. It's the Crosley Cruiser Plus Portable Turntable. It does have wireless play. You can stream Bluetooth out. You can also stream Bluetooth in. So that's pretty cool. Let's get this unboxed. Try it out. Okay. Power plug. Oh, 100th anniversary, Crosley. Cool. Plastic. And some more plastic. Alright, get this untaped. We'll take a look at it. Frickin' use box tape on that. Alright. There we go. Okay, let's take a closer look at this. Of course, pretty cool. You got the Crosley branding there, and I don't know what that is. Kind of a vinyl-y material. And of course, we have our adapter for the 45s. Go in there like that. And we have our different speed settings over here. 33 to 45, 78 for your record size. You do have an auto stop feature. You can turn on or off. There's your switch for the Bluetooth or do the phono type of thing in and out. Looks like we got a pitch control, which is nice. So this will also slow down and speed up the record a little bit. Then your on-off, headphone jack. Let's see what we got on the back. It's nice, convenient. This is the thing, this is portable. Kind of a fun way to, you carry this to a party or something like that. Got two small speakers here with metal grills. There's our label. You can see the model number for this one is CR8005 FPS. Okay, if I'm reading that right. I'm getting old. On the back, you do have, this is nice, you do have a line out. So you can hook up your stereo speakers external through the actual corded line. You do have an aux in, and then of course there's your power port in to plug in the power. Alright, got it plugged in. 6-foot cord in the back, that's pretty nice. You want to make sure you remove this little protective plastic piece here. Keep that, don't throw that away. Whenever you're transporting this is portable, remember. I mean, that's its whole purpose. Put this back on, so keep that. And I mean, just real quick, kind of what's my purpose before we test this thing out? Why did I get this thing? One, I just thought it'd be fun. Saw it in the Black Friday ad. Thought it'd be fun. Thought my kids might have fun messing around with it. I do periodically find records at the local Goodwill or garage sales or whatever. You know, they're not high-end records. This thing has a ceramic cartridge on it, so it's going to put more downforce on it. So you'll hear people argue not to get these because it's going to wear your records out. Technically, it will wear a record out quicker than some of the higher end turntables. Because that ceramic cartridge, this thing's designed to put like 5 to 6 grams downforce onto your vinyl, onto your record. But records are designed to take up to 9 grams of downforce. So high end magnetic cartridge is going to do like 1.5 to 2 grams, just as a comparison, maybe up to 4. So yeah, technically, this will wear your records out a little bit quicker. So, but don't let that discourage you. Records, they will wear out no matter what. Take care of them. Have fun with it. Enjoy this. If this is your first one, I think I'm gonna get a kick out of it. So without further ado, and I have not even tried this one out, just got this Star Trek at the Goodwill. I mean, sometimes you come across some little gems, this is we'll play a little bit of it. I don't know if I'll get copyrighted on it, and I have not I have not cleaned this. Let me set this. People are going to cringe at me right now, but I do have the brush, so we'll give it a brush. We'll brush the dust off as we play this guy. So this has a little clip here to hold your arm down during transport, so you want to have that flipped over. You do have your lever to raise and lower, so always use that, putting it on and off the record. And let's see, what we got it set at. 33. That's what we'll need. So let's turn this on. I want to give this a little brush, a little brushy brush. I really need to do a little better cleaning on this one. Looks like a little bit of smudges there. But we got the dust off. Get this arm into position. We'll lower it down.
Captain's log, stardate 54-4. Bones, can't you keep that thing quiet?
Sorry, Jim. Doesn't like a cage.
Captain's log, stardate 5440. We have been assigned to... Bones!
All right, Jim. I'll take it down to sick bay and house it with our experimental animals. Just remember, I was prepared to treat an ambassador, not to babysit an ill-tempered tabby.
You can make it go a little bit faster.
Bones. We're all upset about it.
Yeoman, give me a hand with this, will you please?
Yes, sir. I confess, Captain, that for a change I find myself empathizing with Dr. McCoy. This is a considerable disappointment.
For me too, Spock. Captain's log, stardate 5440. The Enterprise has been ordered to transport the pet Waul of the Moavian ambassador from Centaurus base to his home world of Moab.
All right.
We are proceeding on...
I don't know if I get copyrighted for that, but hopefully not. I had I had 1 or 2 Star Trek records like this. This sounds familiar to me back when I was a kid. I'll have to listen to these, but there it is. And of course, it's going to sound even better. Even better if you Bluetooth it into some external speakers, or even line out to external speakers, that type of thing. But I dig it. I don't know how well the sound came through on this camera, but that was pretty fun to hear. So yeah, I mean, go get you one of these if you haven't. Go to the Goodwill, get some old records, play them, have fun. Let me know what you think. Post your comments down below. Boom.
You staying home tonight?
I hadn't planned on it, no.
Plan on it.